Welcome to Holistic Vibe. Ever wondered how healthy eating and superfoods can transform your life? Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition to reveal the secrets of healthy eating and the power of superfoods. Stay tuned to unlock a healthier, happier you. In this video, we're exploring the essential elements of healthy eating and the incredible benefits of superfoods. We'll uncover the basics, dive into the science, and share practical tips to help you make healthier choices every day. Ready to transform your diet and boost your well-being? Let's get started. Let's break down what healthy eating really means. Healthy eating is all about consuming a balanced diet that provides your body with the necessary nutrients to function optimally. This includes macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues. Good sources include lean meats, beans, and legumes. Fats, though often misunderstood, are vital for energy and cell function. Opt for healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source, and whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are excellent choices. Don't forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining bodily functions and overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Portion control and mindful eating also play significant roles in healthy eating. It's not just about what you eat, but how much and how often you eat. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help maintain energy levels and prevent overeating. Now, let's talk about superfoods. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods considered to be especially beneficial for health and well-being. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help fight disease and improve overall health. How are superfoods identified? Typically, they are natural foods that have a high nutrient density. The term superfood is often used to highlight foods with exceptional health benefits. Let's look at some common superfoods. Blueberries. These tiny berries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Kale. This leafy green is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and is a great source of calcium and iron. Chia seeds. These little seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them a great addition to your diet. Quinoa. This grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help enhance your nutrition and provide numerous health benefits. Creating a balanced meal plan is easier than you might think. Start by using the plate method. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with whole grains. When grocery shopping, opt for whole foods over processed ones. Buying seasonal produce can also save money and provide fresher options. Always read food labels to make informed choices. Look for low sugar, high fiber, and minimal additives. Meal prepping can be a game changer for maintaining a healthy diet. By preparing meals in advance, you save time and ensure you have nutritious options ready to go. Here are some easy meal prep ideas. Breakfast. Overnight oats with chia seeds and blueberries. Lunch. Quinoa salad with kale, cherry tomatoes, and a lemon tahini dressing. Dinner. Grilled chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Adding superfoods to your meals is simple and can make a big difference in your health. Here are some ideas. Smoothies. Blend spinach, kale, chia seeds, and blueberries for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Salads. Top your salad with quinoa, avocado, and a sprinkle of nuts for added protein and healthy fats. Snacks. Make a trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit for a healthy and convenient snack. Real-life examples and testimonials can be inspiring. Many people have experienced significant health improvements by incorporating superfoods into their diets. Whether it's increased energy, better digestion, or improved skin health, the benefits are tangible. Let's address some common questions and misconceptions about superfoods and healthy eating. Question 1. Can superfoods alone improve your health? While superfoods are highly nutritious, they should be part of a balanced diet. Relying solely on superfoods won't provide all the nutrients your body needs. Question 2. Are all superfoods expensive? Not necessarily. Many superfoods, like beans, lentils, and certain fruits and vegetables, are affordable and readily available. Question 3. Is it necessary to follow a strict diet to be healthy? No, it's about balance and making healthier choices. You don't need to deprive yourself or follow a strict diet to see benefits. Question 4. How can you balance superfoods with other dietary needs? It's all about variety. Ensure your diet includes a wide range of foods to meet all your nutritional needs. For those looking to dive deeper, here are some advanced tips and expert insights. Nutritionists and dietitians recommend incorporating a variety of superfoods into your diet to maximize benefits. Recent research highlights the potential of superfoods like spirulina and matcha, which offer unique health benefits. Staying motivated and consistent with healthy eating can be challenging. Setting realistic goals, planning meals, and finding a support system can help. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Looking to the future, the field of nutrition continues to evolve. Emerging superfoods and new research will continue to shape our understanding of healthy eating. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite superfood? Have you experienced any health benefits from healthy eating? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide to healthy eating and superfoods has inspired you to make positive changes to your diet. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more videos on holistic health and wellness. For more tips and updates, follow us on Twitter X at HolisticVibe369.